Start. Hello everyone, myself Sam Kumar. I am the science teacher of NRB School of Excellence. Today we are going to conduct an experiment based on chemical change and physical change. Now, Arya, which practical you are going to do?
We are going to the practical named burning of magnesium ribbon in air. The aim of this experiment is burning of magnesium ribbon in air, and the materials that are required in this experiment are tongs, magnesium ribbon, watch glass and burner.
Which changes will take place?
It takes place the chemical change.
Okay. So,
The theory of this experiment is magnesium is an alkaline earth metal. It is silvery white metal. It is highly inflammable metal and it is easy to ignite. It powdered form or thin strip. Magnesium burns in air by taking oxygen from air to form magnesium oxide and it is basic in nature. Now procedure of this
what you are going to do?
Now procedure of this experiment is I am taking a piece of magnesium ribbon and hold it with the help of the tongs over a watch glass. Light the magnesium ribbon and observe. It produces dazzling light. It is converted into white ash.
So, which type of change?
It is a chemical change.
It is a chemical change.
Magnesium ribbon to magnesium oxide.
Yes, it has been changed into magnesium ribbon to
magnesium oxide.
magnesium oxide. Okay. Ritika, tell me what are the precautions
Now
during
the
doing this practical?
Now the precautions of this experiment are the surface of magnesium ribbon should be properly cleaned with sandpaper. The white ash of magnesium ribbon should not be touched. Magnesium ribbon should be held by a pair of tongs while burning it. It is used to sunglasses to protect eyes from dazzling lights of magnesium ribbon.
Ritu, explain the result of this experiment.
Now, result of this experiment is the magnesium ribbon burns brightly in the air in form magnesium oxide. It is a chemical change since new substance is formed.
Mr. Kamalan,
Yes,
which
sir.
practical you are going to do?
Now we are doing practical second. The aim of practical second is heating a copper sulfate crystal.
What is the theory of this practical? Shreya?
Now the theory of this practical are copper sulfate pentahydrates contain 5 moles of water per 1 moles of copper sulfate. It can be converted into anhydrous when we heat it strongly. Copper sulfate followed by it loses 2 moles of water 63 degrees Celsius at the 109 degrees Celsius and the final moles of water is 200 degrees Celsius and turn to its color change.
What are the material to perform this practical?
Material required in this experiment: copper sulfate crystal, watch glass, test tube, holder and burner.
Anamika,
Yes.
tell me the procedure of this experiment.
Procedure of this experiment, I have taken a small amount of crystal copper sulfate in a clean and dry test tube, then slowly heating. Understood?
Which type of changes
it is taking place?
It is a physical test. It can be reached again when water molecule in droplet.
Drop it down for me. Drop the water. ड्रॉपर से ऐड करिए ना उसी में okay, it has been changed into its original color, so
Yes,
it is
physical change.
so it is a physical change. When you have heated, it has been converted into white color, and when you poured a drop of water, it changes to its original color. So it is a
Physical
change. Thank you. Mr. Kamal Nair,
Yes, sir.
what are the precautions of this experiment?
In this experiment, the precautions are: keep the mouth of the test tube away from your face, take a small quantity of copper sulfate crystal, take a test tube holder when heating a test tube.
Pritam, explain me the aim of this experiment.
Now we are going to see whether a chemical change or a physical change to perform iron with copper sulfate solution in water.
What are the materials required to perform this experiment?
The material required are conical flask, copper sulfate solution, and iron nail and tongs.
Yes. Show me the experiment.
I take 100 ml conical flask and put one iron nail in it. Pour the copper sulfate solution in conical flask or I will put the solution on the flame for fast reaction.
Mr. Jaswant,
Yes, sir.
what are you observing during this experiment?
Now this observation in this experiment, blue color of copper sulfate solution change into light green color, and deposition of copper on iron nail. Yeah. नहीं दिख रहा, नहीं जा रहा. Copper on iron nail.
Okay. There is a deposition of copper on this iron nail. So, what is the final result of this experiment?
Since new substance is formed, it is a chemical change.
Arabic. What is this? Sir.
सर ये काउ भी है, काउ भी।
पानी खुलता है चला तेरे को तो।
सर कॉर्क आ गया, होल है,
हथौड़ी है सर।